Jamaica's worst gamer. You lack everything, reaction and everything. Tell them no try nothing star. If them disrespect and check say ya go blur. When them violate the listen me no man, drop it in them. Eddie no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's gamer here with another reaction. Move. Today, guys, we're with 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, yeah, man, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 boss himself, with Alta. Yes, Alta. There. That one I put up the comment section, so you don't know it's only right. So let's jump in it and hear where the G have said, man. Let's go, okay? I know 𝐑𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 lyrics them. And I am a 𝐑𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 fan. Let me just say that. I am a 𝐑𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 fan. But the reason why I don't react to as much 𝐑𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 as I should, because I cannot keep up. I say it in every 𝐑𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 reaction. I cannot keep up with 𝐑𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎���, bro. I swear, like, the man drop 3 songs a day, 2 songs. I can't deal with it, bro. I can't deal with it. So I just easy. I just whatever I can't change, I don't stress myself about it. That's what I stay. So I can jump in that one and hear him. I say, let's go. Alta, 𝐑𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Logics, big up yourself. You hear me, no Logics?
I was gonna get 10,000 for this young person. And I am not giving a sky.
Oh, I go on night church. Hungry, big up. Oh, I go on night church.
Some messed up humans, they in a year. Some praying in my room like state I'm a church. Fire it. Before them style, we as gangster. Use my bedside as the altar.
Bomba. Hear the first line what I'm saying. Hear the first fucking line what the G said that.
I was gonna get 10,000 for this young person. And I am not giving a sky.
You know what I'm saying?
Some messed up humans, they in a year. Some praying in my room like state I'm a church.
Some fucked up humans there in the earth. So what I'm doing, pray in them room. In praying them room like a church, brother. You know one there on nobody. You not forgot church got to do it. That's what the boss will tell us.
Humans, they in a year. Some praying in my room like state I'm a church. Fire it. Before them style, we as gangster. Use my bedside as the altar. If your pressure we answer.
Shit.
Know you wanna know where you can sponsor.
Sure.
I've no things we give thanks for. So me a pray and I boot like altar.
Man say I'm praying I boat like altar. Yeah, I'm praying I boat like altar. I'm not forgetting a church we find female altar. Female altar there in the boat.
We give thanks for. So me a pray and I boot
like altar.
Give your praise every second. Only thing me do wrong I probably pray with my weapon.
Wait! Man don't tell us say nah left it in a dog. So all of them are praying off it, you know. Yeah.
Give your praise every second. Only thing me do wrong I probably pray with my weapon.
Extension clip though.
People weird in no brother. Big man of original from baby so clever.
Big man have to be general from baby so clever. Big man have to be general from baby so. So imagine say all the littlest baby them too clever right now. So big man have to upgrade them cleverness to general. Oh, the blood clot here, tell me, brother. Yo. How the littlest baby them a try can you know what it is, brother? That me I tell you. Yeah.
Some messed up humans, they in a year. Some praying in my room like state I'm a church. Fire it. Before them style, we as gangster. Use my bedside as the altar. If your pressure we answer. Know you wanna know where you can sponsor. I've no things we give thanks for. So me a pray and I boot like altar. Give your praise every second. Only thing me do wrong I probably pray with my weapon. People weird in no brother. Big man of original from baby so clever.
Yeah.
We in the streets every day, but enough people we in a church and godly.
we're in our streets every day, but not because I'm a Ruralian. Enough people where God church see them ungodly. Them hide back at them church we do them criminal activities. They are nothing but dirty corner boy and corner girl. We got on this fat news video.
It's a big deal, but enough people way in a church ungodly. Me here say the right place. People inside there do wrong things. Sadly, me see hypocrite, me see robbery, and me see a pastor.
You see where I'm having a fee, man? You see where I'm having a fee, man? You see where I'm having a fee, man? Just because the man do a accidentally nudging him because him a fall around the corner and a bill him spliffed. You see him having a fee, man? Look on fee, man. Gun finger in a brother. Gun finger in a dog. Toxic, man. Toxic pastor. You toxic.
Pastor push badness. You don't look like you know different from we. Some messed up humans, they in a year. Praying on my room like
make up the editor for that video.
Before them style, we as gangster. Use my bedside as the altar. And if you pray, we answer. No, you
look where you go. When I say look where you go, something.
Have no things we give thanks for. And now you see them start see corruption. That's why me fling psalms in a gun song.
And now you see them start see corruption, brother. A long time I see it from your lily boy till now me a big man now. From morning now evening. That's why me do a fling psalms in a gun song. Blood
corruption. That's why me fling psalms in a gun song. Met the part hardly a function. Stress and a smoke hard, but me long strong.
Yeah.
Forgive my father, come I done bad. When me fi run from this tour, we done plan. God alone judge.
When me fi run.
I'm done bad. When me fi run from this tour, we done.
What on, man?
Part hardly a function. Stress and a smoke hard, but me long strong. Forgive my father, come I done bad.
So I must say, forgive me, father, cause me done bad. When me fi run from the story done plan. So I must say, if a gunshot I go kill him, a gunshot I go kill him. If a car accident, a car accident. Film fate done written already. So what him fi fear? What him can't fear nothing. Him not fear nothing because it is what it is. Fuck it. Me not fear nothing. Me fearless. What me worry about?
Forgive my father, come I done bad. When me fi run from this tour, we done plan. God alone judgment, you know make us.
Me know that you tell now. I swear me know that you tell, bro. I swear me know that you tell, bro. I swear me know that you the dog.
When we run from this tour, we don't plan. God alone judgment, you know make assumption. Nobody know better than none fam. I'm from the scheme, good you done that, bad you done right. Y'all turn mukbang, Bush Navies, yeah, you know the pan gunshot.
Bush Navies, yeah, you know the pan gunshot. So when a gunshot slam, it end up where it end up. It can't see where it go. Wait, man.
Y'all turn mukbang, Bush Navies, yeah, you know the pan gunshot. Said them a pastor, but I must prank.
Must prank.
You started it. I have witnesses. You started it. I was telling me that you. Don't I find you? And then that.
Oh, that background there, that sample of them use at the background is when one pastor and one church woman a fight. Remember they were fight when the church lady must bite the man, and one bag of thing. It go viral, man. Remember that?
I was telling me that you. Don't I find you? And then
Because of some offering money never show or some shit.
Some messed up humans, they in a year. I'm praying, I'm a room like state, I'm a child. Fire. Before them style, we as gangster. Use my bedside.
I passed up, I batty boy.
If you pray, we answer.
What am I doing?
When I know where you can sponsor. I've no things we give thanks for. So me a pray, I boot like.
Brother, you gonna stop at help the lady still. You gonna stop at help the lady. Yeah, fuck it. Man, so me get paid for my business. That me and my, you know, so me I go walk past and to pussy and go up on my business. But me G, you can't deal with the ladies up on the ground, bro. As somebody mother that in a man, if hey. Sorry, pastor, you have to get them there. I'm serious. Where should I get them?
Come in a furry.
You right, this a pastor, sorry.
As gangster, use my bedside as the altar. If you pray, we answer. Know where you when I know where you can sponsor. I've no things we give thanks for. So me a pray, I boot like Delta.
Nobody now left ya. She's the dirty girl.
That's your church member. Don't tell me to shut up. I will nick you down. You don't know me. You don't know your life. You can be my grandmother. I'm not scared of you, bitch. I'm not scared of you.
Yeah, try people them. No respect at all for the elder. You hear them deal with the little old man. Boy, can you clap put it in a song? Production team, big up on yourself. Big up the engineer. Mix sound good. Big up. Yo, Uncle and Records, big up on yourself. G, a phone production. Yo, can you clap put it in a song to pussy clot? You hear the need of the woman, man? Wow. Wow, what can I say? Wow. Let me know what you guys think about this one, though. I'll be down in the comment section, I guess. All right? I'll catch you down there. Peace.
Yeah, Rust game, but I review your face, the dog. If face, you fuck.